Hello and welcome. I'd like to thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch this short but very powerful presentation. What you'll see and hear today is a simple program that helps you, the business owner, a vehicle to multiple lenders for your business that you may not be aware of, and an option to reaching your operational goals by having more access to working capital. Here's the problem. Forbes magazine, June of 2014, depending on which survey you read, as few as 10% of small businesses will actually get a small business loan at the local bank. Nevertheless, that's the first place they will go because many of them don't know about the myriad of options available to solve their specific needs for capital to fuel growth, fund working capital, or facilitate capital improvement. So it's a big problem. So what's the solution? Freedom Equity Group, our FEG lending platform, which is connecting business borrowers to 3,500 plus lenders. See, we're a different kind of company. We have experienced leadership. If you look at our three owners to the right of the screen, they each have over 30 years in the financial services industry. A track record, which in the past they've built a company with over 48,000 agents and representatives. They've been #1 producers with many institutions, so they know what they're doing. We have a proven turnkey system, products that everyone needs and can afford, and an easy to follow income building system for the right individuals. We have funding for all types of businesses. We can help businesses with startups, working capital, installment loans, SBA lending, leasing, factoring, purchase order, real estate, and yes, even private capital, and there's many other programs. See, we work to find financing for your company regardless of the industry, time in business, credit score, or most other reasons you may have been declined for in the past. Unsecured lending is also available through our platform because we've got more than 40 different types of business loans that you may qualify for, from credit lending, where you may just need working capital to help grow your business. You may be purchasing a franchise or needing to buy out a partner. Perhaps you need an expansion financing loan or revolving line of credit, which is pretty popular these days. Maybe you need to purchase some new equipment or old equipment or lease some equipment for your business. We also do asset-backed lending, which is purchase order finance, factoring, accounts receivable financing. Many of you out there may have accounts receivables. Well, there are actual lenders that will lend you money for your business on that. Asset-based loan, and of course, real estate lending, where it could be commercial real estate, investment real estate, bridge financing, construction loans, hard money financing, and the list goes on and on and on. Chances are we have a program for you, whereas 90% per the article will not get a loan from the local bank. As a matter of fact, I heard a statistic just recently that of the $2 trillion in loans that were issued last year, only 7% of them were from large banks. So what that tells us is you need diversification. And our lenders include in our platform, we have large banks. We also have small banks. But we also have private banks, private lenders, and specialty lenders. You pay no fee for our services. Therefore, you can negotiate for best terms and pricing. With more than 40 different types of loans available to you, chances are there's an option where we can help you with your business. And depending on the type and size of the loan, funding generally takes from 3 days to 6 weeks. And that depends on the type of loan that it is and how quickly you can come to terms with the bank. So here's how it works. The requirements of our 3,500 plus approved and verified lenders are sitting in the lending database. Your business information and needs are input into a simple online questionnaire. Literally takes 10 to 15 minutes. No documentation is required upon the submission. Our unique proprietary software matches lenders with your borrowing needs. Up to 3 to 5 lenders will contact you directly to discuss your needs. With multiple lenders, you, the borrower, can negotiate for best terms. So once we input this information for you, you will be contacted directly from the lender, and as many as 5. that would be interested in perhaps pursuing this with you, okay? At which time you, as the borrower, would discuss those terms with the bank. So in summary, what are the benefits to you? We may have a program here that can assist you in growing your business. Clearly, most business, if they're undercapitalized, that's a serious problem. We may be able to fulfill that for you. Fulfill your business and operational goals. That's what lending can do for you. A simple questionnaire process, something that requires very little time to begin the process, and an opportunity to connect you with multiple lenders that share your vision. I want to thank you once again for taking the time to watch this brief presentation today. What I encourage you to do is get back with the person who shared this with you to find out how you can get started with the process. Again, thank you. Have a great day.